Zimbabwe is in crisis, and the world can't stay silent. Human Rights Watch is sounding the alarm on Zimbabwe. Under President Emmerson Mnangagwa, the government is clamping down hard on opposition and civil society. Abductions, torture, politically motivated arrests. These are not isolated incidents. They're part of a systemic assault on human rights. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS. As the Southern African Development Community, we have a responsibility. With the August 2024 summit in Harare fast approaching, the time to act is now. SADC must push Zimbabwe to uphold basic freedoms and end this repression. Silence is not an option. Lives are at stake. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to watch this story unfold. Drop your comments down below, like and share with a friend.